Please, before I go to bed, or before you go to bed, allow me give you an assurance that there is money online. There is money in the content around you and within you. You can make money at the comfort of your home, like the way I'm at the comfort of my home. You can make money in the kitchen. You can make money in the bathroom. You can make money in your living room. You can make money in your vacation. You can make money when you're at work, when you're traveling, when you're eating. You can make money in all ways. So now we agree that there is money. You can make money online. Irrespective, don't ask me how much. If you go to our previous video, you'll know how much you can make. But this is a disclaimer, you guys. These videos are for educational purposes. If you see this channel, you know that it is giving you tips. I'm not guaranteeing you that the moment you follow us and do what we are telling you, you're going to make money. We are giving you tips. And these tips can help you. If you find it helpful, you continue. Now, before we dive into our topic of today, our topic of today is how do I get the video ideas on a daily basis? Is it abnormal? Is it normal really to find that every day you have a video? I'm going to give you 10 to 15 ways. Yeah, and the next part I'll be bringing it in another day, how I get video ideas on a daily basis. Yes, most creators run short of video ideas. I was there once like that. I know someone is going through it. But for me, I can never now run out of video ideas. Instead, you find there are many. I don't have time to record. I don't have time to do voiceovers and other things. But before we dive into the topic, allow me appreciate our special engagers on Facebook, special engagers on YouTube, special engagers on TikTok, Instagram, or even the people that are supporting us through our WhatsApp channels, WhatsApp status. I love you so much, guys. So let's see what are those ways that I get help me get my video ideas. The first one, I get my video ideas from the comment section. This comment section from engagement, I get my video ideas. So whenever you see me, I'm appreciating individuals who are engaging my videos, it means they are part of the creators. So when someone comments, and especially relevantly, there are different types of comments of engaging. There's someone who will come and put hearts. There's someone who will come and put ride on, keep it up. And now there's someone who will come after listening to a video and puts a comment in any way, but the way as put, because listen to the whole video, the comment, it's automatic, it will give you another video idea. That is point number one. The easiest way of getting your video ideas, of you not running out of ideas at all. Then the second one, I get it from the day-to-day activities. Most people ask, recently I have a family, one of my community, they were like, Immaculate, show and food you like this. People have not known that your lifestyle, where you are, what you do, is money itself. So you cannot run out of, even if I stay at home like this, I cannot run out of video ideas. Never. Because I cook, I eat, I listen to TV, I organize my house, I shower. Out of all this, I can get a video, like 1,000 video ideas. So the things I do at home, I get video ideas. Now, for example, you guys, how did I get this video? This video I'm giving you. How I got it? I was just seated, and I got someone was chatting me about money, and was like, And that one gave me a video idea. By the time we continued chatting, it gave me this, because it was like, please, I need money, but I run short of videos. Because I've done this. Some people even get stuck. So you can never get stuck. You're going to ask me that, how can you make a video when you're at home? Okay, now, I always make a video when I'm eating, when I'm making juice, when I'm making food, when I'm in my kitchen. But if you go to check, like in short way, especially on TikTok and other platforms, I always put for you amount a $2 breakfast, $3 breakfast. How I do maybe my organic tea without sugar. How I prepare, like now it's a weekend, I will not go to buy juices, I prepare my juice. Maybe you'll watch this video, but shortly you can watch it on Immaculate Lifestyle channel on YouTube, or you can watch it on TikTok. You get it? So I cannot run out of it. Now the third one, how I get video ideas is around me. People need to know some things. Like for example, there's an idea I got one day. It was, I think, on first of this July, or first of the month. Let me say month. So when I was at work, we had already received salary on 28th, and one of the staff was like, when will salary come? I was shocked and looked at this guy. I said, what? It's just 28th. You just received salary. It's like, that salary is finished. I paid this and now immediately. Then he remembered, he said, Christine, again, don't make a video out of me. I said, no. Even if I'm to make a video, I'm not going to direct it to you. It will be a video idea. So already that one gave me, and me, I started lecturing him. I don't wait for salary by them. I wait for YouTube payment, I wait for Facebook payment, because they come before salary. So by the time my salary comes, you find I'm not hungry for it. It is kept sometimes. So that one gave me a video idea. This is the things around us, the reactions, what people do. Instead of, it depends even in the niche you are in. You'll say, man, now your niche, my niche, even if every situation that is around us and within us, everyone, they give you a video idea in your niche, whether you're in lifestyle, whether you are in cooking, whether you are in tutorials, whether you are in teaching, you can get a video idea, you guys. So another way I get my video idea, and you can also get your video idea, is from viral trends. These ones are very good, because like if I go to Google and put what is trending, already Google knows what I do. It knows for the lifestyle, and at the same time it knows for education on how to do. So it will give me the what is trending. Yes. So from there I'll pick and do a video, a transcript and do a video. Talking of that, I get my video ideas from the basics of the niche, because I have a niche already. Have you seen lately? I don't bring complicated things, because I know my audience. If my audience cannot get a camera and record a video, how will I tell you to go and invest with crypto? No. How will I tell you to go and do freelancing? How will I tell you to go and do affiliate marketing? So I have to do basics that is around, and it's very okay. Now, last but not least, for this video, I'll be bringing for you the continuation in another time. You guys, I get my video ideas from AI tools, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is my personal pure assistant, very intelligent. When I become stuck, I go and say, baby boy, baby girl, you know my niche. Can you give me 10 video ideas concerning my niche? And the simplest one that I'm going to do this and that, and it comes. So you guys, if you know you're there and you're stuck, please first like this video, comment, share it to somebody I'm bringing you the next part of how I'm getting.